The next is the prime numbers. So what is prime numbers? Prime numbers. Prime numbers in sense the factors which is having the number itself. That is the only prime numbers we can call. So what is the prime number for, you can tell, okay, 1 is not a prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite, right? So 1 is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. It is the prime numbers. What is the prime number? The number which is having the factor 1 and the number itself. That's it. Right? That is a prime numbers. What is twin prime? What is meant by twin prime? If two prime numbers, if you are taking that, if you subtract those two numbers, you will be getting 2. Then that we can call it as a twin prime. So here I am taking one number, 3 and 5. See, 5 minus 3 is 2, right? So I am just 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Yes, right. So 3 comma 5 is the twin prime. Okay. So again 5 comma 7. This is also twin prime because 7 minus 5 is 2 here. Okay, 2 comma 3. No, it is not a twin prime. Why? Because 3 minus 2 is not coming as 2. This is 3 minus 2 is 1. But actually twin prime must be the difference you have to see. The difference must get 2. Then that is a twin prime here. Okay. The next number is even numbers. Guys, you know about even numbers? Even numbers, odd numbers. Odd numbers, right? Okay. Even numbers means the multiple of 2. The 2 tables you know. What are all the numbers which is coming in the 2 table? That are all we can call it as an even number. It's a multiple of 2. It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The last digit will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The last digit, one's digit is there, right? Is 0, 2, 4, 6 it is coming. Then it is an even number. What is odd number? Other than even number, that is odd number. What and all the numbers I can tell it is an even number, right? That is not there. That is the odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. That is a odd numbers. Okay. Next one is a fractions. What is fractions? Fractions means it's a part of the whole. Part of the whole in sense it has numerator and denominator. 3 by 4. Right? Now out of 4, 3 is a covered. It is 3 by 4. Like that it is. This is 3 by 4 in sense. Now the 4th part, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This 3 will be covered here. In sense, this is 3 by 4. Okay, it's a fraction. This is 3 by 4. How come it is 1 by 2 means? It is 1 by 2 means this is like that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. But actually I have to divide this circle as a 2 only. So 2 parts I have to do. 1 and 2. So 1 is covered. So it is 1 by 2. Okay. The next one is types of fractions. The types of fractions. What are the types of fractions? Proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Okay. So what is proper fraction? 3 by 4, 6 by 9. Numerator is less than this denominator. See, 6 by 9. Numerator is less than the denominator, then we can call it as a proper fraction. Here, 10 by 5, 16 by 2, 19 by 18. This case, numerator is greater than the denominator. So I can tell these fractions and all we can call it as improper fraction. What is mixed fraction? One whole number and the fractions together, that we can call as mixed. Right? So one whole number and one fractions together. So 1 4 by 5, 276 by 7. So these and all, this is what? Mixed fraction. Again I'll tell you, proper fraction means what? Numerator is less than denominator. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. Mixed means what? Your whole number and the fractions together, we can call it as mixed fraction. Okay. The next thing is the equivalent fraction. Okay. Equivalent fraction means, so this 3 by 2 is there. Okay. I want to write one more fraction which is equivalent of this fraction. How to write this? See, multiply with 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So, 6 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 2. Okay, one more. 4 by 3 is there. Okay, I want one more fraction which is equivalent of this. So, again I can multiply into 3, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. You can multiply any number, but actually it should be same number. So, numerator will be denominator. If you multiply by 2, the same number you have to multiply in numerator also. If 3 you are multiplying, this 3 you have to multiply in the numerator also. If 4 means again here also 4. Okay. So, this way I can find the equivalent fractions. Okay. Then addition of fraction. Addition of fraction. Here, see, 5 by 3 plus 9 by 3 plus 10 by 3. How you do it? Here, 3 is there. Denominator is very same here. 3 3. So, 5 plus 9 plus 10, which is equal to, it is 5, 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. So, 24 by 3, which is equal to 8. 8 times of 3 is 24. So, this is the addition of fractions. Okay, when the denominator is same, you have to write the denominator with 3 only. Then add the numerator separately and write it. Okay, fine. Then next will be, the last concept is squares and rectangles. Okay, here the square will be what? What is a square? What is meant by square, ma? Here, what is that? This is a square which is having all sides are equal, right? All sides are equal, then I can tell it is a square. It is A, this is also A, this is also A. This side is 5, this is 5, 5, 5, right? What is the perimeter? Perimeter of a square is A plus A plus A plus A is 4A. A plus A plus A plus A, which is equal to 4A. Okay. What about the area? Area in sense A into A. You have to multiply one side and the other side. So this is A into A, which is equal to what? A square. A is nothing but a side. What is A means side? This is one side. One side this is. So A means this is side, right? Okay. Then the last thing is rectangle. Rectangle. So, rectangle means here, this is a length and breadth. What is rectangle means? Opposite sides are equal. This side and this side are equal, and this side and this side are equal. And this side is parallel, and this side is parallel. Okay, so rectangle means this is length, this is a breadth. Again, this also length, this also breadth. I told you opposite sides are equal. Now, perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is what? L plus B plus L plus B. So, 2L plus 2B. So, 2 if I take common, 2 into L plus B. It is a perimeter. Then, area. Area of rectangle means what? This side into this side. The product of two sides. So, length into breadth, square units. This is only units here. Okay. That's it, students. I hope you got all concepts here. Thank you.